Hi, today we are going to solve system linear equation by substitution. So yesterday we learned about how to find a solution for a system equation by using a graph, and then we find out where they cross each other is the solution. So today we are going to use algebraic method substitution to find the solution. So let's take a look at question number 1. Solve the system of linear equation by substitution. Y equals 4, y equals 3x plus 10. So we have two equations. The first one is a horizontal line, y equals 4, and the second one is y equals 3x plus 10. So we see that the y is by itself, y equal. So now we can substitute the 3x plus 10 into the first y. So now you're going to do is you put open parenthesis equal to 4, and you substitute the 3x plus 10, y equal 4, and now it becomes 3x plus 10 equal 4. And because there was nothing to multiply over here, so therefore you can drop the parenthesis. Okay, so therefore we get 3x plus 10 equal 4. Now we can solve for x. The whole purpose of substitution is you change two equations into one equation with one variable. So in this case, we get 3x plus 10 equal 4. It's only one equation that we know how to solve. So we're going to say this is the middle of the equation. We do inverse operation. So plus 10, you minus 10 both sides. So 10 and plus 10 cancel. You get 3x equal. Now next, we're going to use our calculator. So you're going to do 4 minus 10 equal negative 6. And now we got 3x equal negative 6. So 3x, so you have to divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we got 1x equal. Now we're going to do is negative 6 divided by 3. So we get negative 2. So we got x equal negative 2. That means x equal negative 2. 1x equal to negative 2, x equal to negative 2. So after you find x, you have to find y equal to how much? Now you go back over here. Y equal 4. They already gave us the answer. Y equal 4. So therefore we know y equal 4. So that means the point they cross each other is negative 2 comma 4. So therefore the solution is negative 2 comma 4. So we found the answer. So sometimes people may leave the answer as x equal and y equal, and most of the time the people put them back into a point. Now let's take a look at question number 2. Solve the system of linear equation by substitution. So we got y equal 2x plus 5 and y equal to negative 3x minus 10. So we get y equal y by itself. So now we're going to use this part and substitute into the first y over here. So we do parenthesis equal 2x plus 5. So we're going to substitute negative 3x minus 10. And because there was no number in front of the parentheses, so we're going to drop the parentheses directly. So we get negative 3x minus 10 equal to 2x plus 5. So now you go back to something that we know. So this is the middle of the equation. So we want to eliminate the variable on the right side. So we use inverse operation, 2x. So we do minus 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x becomes 0. It's gone. So we get positive 5 over here. Now let's go back to the left side. So now we have negative 3 minus 2. So you type in negative 3 minus 2. So you get negative 5. So we get negative 5x, and you copy down minus 10. Now we want to keep the negative 5x. We want to eliminate the number. So we have minus 10. So we do plus 10 both sides. So this cancel. We get negative 5x equal. And then 5 plus 10. You can do in the calculator, do in your mind. So 5 plus 10. So we get 15. Now we have negative 5x. So we have to divide by negative 5. So negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1. So 1x equal. So we got 15 divided by negative 5, which is negative 3. So 1x equal negative 3, that means x equal negative 3. So we found the x value, and you had to find y equal how much. So in order to find out y equal how much, you always go back. So you look at this. This time, we cannot tell the answer directly, but they give us equations. So there are two of them, so we just pick one. So I'm going to use the top one, y equal to 2x plus 5. So now I already know that x equal to -3. So y equal to 2 parentheses plus 5. And then now you're going to substitute -3 here. So next step, you just type it into the calculator. So we're going to have 2 times -3 parentheses and plus 5. So we get -1. So therefore y is -1. So we found x equal to -3 and y equal -1. So therefore the solution is -3, -1. So we finished question number 2. Now let's go to question number 3. Solve the system of linear equation by substitution. Y equal to 9x plus 6, x equal to, oh, this one is much easier than the one before. So now what do? We already have x equal to. So we're going to substitute the x equal to into this x. So y equal 9 parentheses plus 6 because x equal 2. So therefore I substitute this by 2. Now we're going to get y equal. So now we're going to use a calculator. So now we got 9 parentheses 2 and then plus 6. So we got 24. So therefore the solution is x equal 2, y equal 24. So sometimes people write this way. They write separately, x equal and y equal. Of course, sometimes people will write as a point. So 2, 24. So both ends are acceptable. So sometimes people write separately, sometimes you put them back into a point. So we finished question number 3. Let's take a look at number 4. Solve the system of linear equation by substitution. Let's take a look at here. You get y plus 3x equal 10, and we get y equal 5x minus 40. This is y equal, y by itself. So this one, you can substitute into the y in the first equation. So now I'm going to do parentheses plus 3x equal 10. And then y turn into 5x minus 40. Now there is nothing in front of the parentheses. I'm going to drop it. So we're going to write 5x minus 40 and then plus 3x equal to 10. Now, we know this is the middle of the equation. So on the right side, there's no variable. The variable is on the left side. And I have minus 40 over here. I don't want to have the minus 40 over here, so I can eliminate it by use plus 40 and then plus 40. So negative 40 and plus 40 cancel. I get 5x left over and plus 3x left over equal 10 plus 40 is 50. So now I'm going to write on 50. Okay. So 5x plus 3x. Now we can combine like terms. Now the terms have the 3 and the 5. So we do the coefficient 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So it turned into 8x equal 50. Now we are going to use division. So we're going to divide by 8 both sides. Okay, so you get 1x equal. So we're going to do 50 divided by 8 equal to 6.25. So now we're going to have 6.25. So x is 6.25. Next step is to find y. To find y, we're going to use any of these equations. So before I choose the top one, this time I'm going to choose the bottom one because y equals to 5x minus 40. The y is already on the left side. So I'm going to use y equal to 5x minus 40. And y equal to 5 parentheses minus 40. And then I already know that x equal to 6.25. So I do substitution. So now I'm going to type it in the calculator. So 5 times 6.25 and minus 40. So I got negative 8.75. So that is a solution. (6.25, negative 8.75). So we finished question number 4. Now you are going to do number 5, number 6 by yourself. I give you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, and then I will go over the questions with you. Okay, so let's go over number 5. So I get y equal a plus x and y equal to 4x minus 1. So they both have y by itself. So I can substitute the second one into the first one. So I'm going to put parentheses equal to a plus x. So I'm going to put the 4x minus 1. Now because there's no number in front to multiply, so I'm going to drop that. And then you get 4x minus 1 equal to a plus x. And we're going to do inverse operation. I want to eliminate the variable on the right side, plus x. I do minus x, minus x. So x minus x is canceled, so I still get 8 over here. Minus x means minus 1x. So now we're going to use our calculator, or you can do in your mind. So you get 4 minus 1. So you get 3. So we got 3x minus 1 equal 8. And then we want to do the inverse operation to cancel the minus 1, so plus 1 plus 1. So you got 3x equal, this cancel, you get 9. And 3x equal 9. So you divide by 3, divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you get x equal 3. Now we have to find y. So you pick one of the equation. So it doesn't matter which one you pick, they both have y by itself. So I'm going to pick the first one. Y equal to a plus x. So y equal to a plus x, x is 3. So now a plus 3, 11. So therefore the solution is 3, 11. So we found the answer for question number 5. Now let's take a look at question number 6. Number 6, y equal 10x plus 9 and 5x plus y equal to 69. So this one, the y is by itself on top, so I'm going to substitute this one in here. Okay, y equal to 10x plus 9. I'm going to substitute this way. So now I'm going to do 5x plus parentheses and then 69. I'm going to substitute the 10x plus 9 inside. Now, because there's no number in front to multiply, so I'm going to drop. Okay, so you get 5x plus 10x plus 9 equals 69. So we dropped the set of parentheses. So we do not want the number 9 on the left side, so we do minus 9 minus 9. So 5x plus 10x equals 69 minus 9 is 60. So now we're going to do 5x plus 10x. So we add the number 5 plus 10 is 15. So 15x equals 60. So we're going to do division. So divided by 15. So x equal, you get 1x or x. So now you're going to have 60 divided by 15, which is 4. So we found x equal 4. Now we have to find y. When you find y, you pick one of the equation. Doesn't matter if it's the top one or the bottom one. But I like to pick the top one this time because y equal. The y is already by itself. So y equal 10x plus 9. So y equal 10 times parentheses plus 9. And I have x equal 4. So now I'm going to do substitution. So you had 10 times 4 plus 9 equal 49. So you got solution 4, 49. So we finished question number 6. Now you should go to do the lesson summary and the 4 multiple choice questions.